It's sunny. It's sunny in Vancouver.
Let's shift gears and explore the latest in home technology with the new and improved Google Nest Mini. Still mini, but now even mightier. If you're looking to upgrade your home's smart capabilities, this is a game changer you won't want to miss. The Nest Mini has been engineered for superior audio performance, delivering a richer sound with 2x stronger bass than the original Mini. Whether listening to your favorite tunes or catching up on podcasts, your audio experience will be more immersive and enjoyable. But it's not just about great sound. The Nest Mini is also designed with the environment in mind. The durable fabric top is made from 100% recycled plastic bottles, making it a sustainable choice for your home. Privacy is a top priority for the Nest Mini. Being part of your home means respecting your privacy and ensuring that your information remains secure.
Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver.